Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I will touch on the three safety net to ensure financial stability, which are namely CPF, insurance and investment. And in today's topic, we will find out how to supercharge your special account to earn minimally 4% annually. Without further ado, let's dive in. So we all know that we all have our standard 3 CPF account plus a retirement account beyond 55 years old. Okay, we also know that this year prevailing BHS basic healthcare sum is $71,500, and take note this will be adjusted annually. So let's assuming how to supercharge your BHS. So the BHS for 2023 is $68,500. So with a 4% interest rate, by right we should actually gain a $2,740. So this is my personal account. How come I only get $2,734? A shortfall of approximately $6. A shortfall of approximately $6. So let me explain why. Okay, because in the month of October, right, there's a deduction of a cash shield life of $250.69 from my Medisave account. And this is something to take note. It's good to always check in your MA to ensure that it actually fulfills the maximum amount. So in 2023, this is $68,500. So there's a few days where I fall short. That's why I was discounted from the total net interest that I'm supposed to get. Supposing to be $2,740, I got around $2,734, which is $6 short. Okay, a small amount but a little goes a long way. Alright, so it's always important for you to ensure that your MA is always fixed at $71,500 for this 2024. Okay, $71,500 for year 2024. Okay, so what is CashShield Life? So CashShield Life is if you are a Singapore citizen or resident born in 180 or later, right, you'll be automatically joined into the CashShield Life on October 2024, or when you turn 30 years old. Okay, more details can be found on the link here, and which is also attached here as well. Okay, so we like to understand how to supercharge our special account. So if we are below 55 years old, right, any money in excess of $71,500 will actually flow into your special account. And otherwise, if you are 55 years and above, it will actually fall into your RA account. So what does this really mean? Let me explain with some examples. Okay, so this is taken from the CPM mobile app. Typical employee, right, will have these 3 contributions to 3 accounts: ordinary account, special account and Medisave account. But for people who knows about how to supercharge your special account, right, you only see contribution coming into your ordinary account and special account only. Because MA, there won't be any contribution being made to MA at all. Because why? Your MA would have fulfilled $71,500 for year 2024 specifically. So let me go into further details and show you what does this really mean. Okay, so I take as example Mr. A, age 38 years old, earn a salary of $5,000. So based on the CPF contribution, right, there's actually a 37% of which coming from the employer and employee. And this means that if you are 55 years and below, your contribution rate will be actually $1,850. And this amount will be allocated to 3 accounts, which is the OA, SA and MA. Okay, let's see how the breakdown is. So based on the CPF calculator, right, this 1850 will be allocated based on this calculation, which is over here. So 449 will go into your Medisave account, 349 will go into your special account, and the rest into your ordinary account. And these 3 sums adds up to 1850. Okay, so what is the trick here to actually supercharge your SA? So it's by ensuring your MA hits the maximum of $71,500. This is for year 2024 specific. Okay, so example, if this person has hit, right, this CPF contribution of 1850 will actually be allocated to 2 accounts only, which is namely the ordinary account and special account. And how does this really works? Let's look at the breakdown. Okay, so instead of this money 449 flowing into the special, 449.92 flowing into the Medisave account, right, this money will be amortized inside the special account. So instead of you having $349.83 in your special account, you will actually receive $799.75 in your special account. So how does this work out? It actually combines the Medisave contribution, which is 449.92, plus your special account contribution of 349.83, total amounting to 799.75. Take note that your ordinary account is still 1050.25, and these two amounts actually adds up to 1850. So remember this, in order to supercharge your special account, right, is to ensure that your Medisave account has fulfilled the PHS, which is 71,500 for this 2024 alone. Okay, so with this, if you have gained the maximum 71,500 at the end of the year, congratulations, you will actually receive $2,860 on 31st December 2024. Okay, so this will be reflected in your CPF interest account on the last day of this 2024. Okay, so I hope this information is valuable to you. So if you like this, please help to share with your loved ones, and I look forward to see you in my next video. Take care.